Welcome to this video. In this video, we're going to see how to use hyperlinks in Microsoft Word. This is part of our Microsoft tutorial series. So to start with, this is an article on the growing incidence of sinkholes in major cities in Southeast Asia. So we're going to attempt to add an hyperlink in one of. So under this paragraph, we highlight Manila. When it's selected, head over to insert, click insert, click hyperlink. You can see Manila is highlighted here. So this is the place. Now the address, the link for the address, you add it to it. And now click OK. As you can see, the link is the body of the text has changed color from black to blue. So let us now test the link. You click. So click Control on your click the Control key on your keyboard and click the link. So as you can see, this is as this you see the link has opened. The link we just added now has opened. So that's how you can add. That's how you can add an hyperlink to your Microsoft Word document. So thank you for watching. Kindly like, subscribe to our channel, share and comment if you have any questions. Thank you for watching. To the next video. See you next time.